what a fantastic 3 days of competition we've had this year at the Fiji Secondary Schools Athletic Championships, the Coca-Cola Games. As we close out another great weekend, I just want to say a few words about the importance of these games. Every year, this weekend is filled with triumphs and disappointments. But for those students, athletes, to have even made it this far to compete at this level is a big accomplishment. So to our winners, I say congratulations. And to those who fell short, I say congratulations as well. You all represent the best that Fiji has to offer, and you all ought to be proud of how you perform. We are blessed with a lot of athletic talent in Fiji, but more importantly, we are blessed with so many young men and women who understand the importance of discipline and who display an unrelenting commitment to excellence. Because talent alone won't take you anywhere. It is mental toughness, a competitive drive to do well, and a dedication to the long hours of training that determine success in competition. But what makes this game special is that regardless of the fierce competition on the field, our competitors can come together afterwards as friends and as fellow Fijians. Today, let us be grateful to have witnessed our student athletes compete so well here in Suva. I'm sure we're all feeling inspired after watching them put so much sweat and effort into this competition. And in our day-to-day lives, let that motivate us all to be a better and more prosperous Fiji and set an example for all our young people that they can follow one day. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister.